The key fob for your 2014 Jeep Cherokee combines remote functions with an anti-theft system called SKIM. It includes buttons for lock, unlock, and panic, along with a physical key blade. The SKIM is the Sentry Key Immobilizer Module, an anti-theft system that stores up to 8 key codes in your vehicle. Programming pairs the fob's radio frequency signal with your vehicle's receiver and SKIM, replacing old key codes to allow recognition of the new fob. You'll need at least one working programmed key and the new fob. This process allows you to replace lost fobs or add spares. However, always proceed with caution when dealing with automotive electrical systems. Ensure all doors are unlocked. Insert your working key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but don't start the engine. Wait 3 to 5 seconds, then turn to off. Repeat this cycle 3 times within 10 seconds. Open and close the driver's door 3 times, waiting 1 to 2 seconds between each. Turn the ignition to on again. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the new fob simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. You should hear a chime or see lights flash. Release and press unlock within 10 seconds. If adding more fobs, repeat the button press within 30 seconds. Turn the ignition off to exit programming. Unlock the doors and test the engine start. If it fails, repeat the process or seek professional diagnostics. Common errors like SKIM failure may require an OBD2 tool to check for codes like P05113. If unsure, consult a certified mechanic.